Kanong ba Shillong kadon bun bah ki jaka ba pau nam kaba ki phareng ki pensa nam. Henry bun pat ki pampat tip baka wei ni kini ki jaka kadon hapdeng kanong ba Shillong. Ye kini layat hu do menteri rang ba kajela u Konrad ki sangma ha ka jingli kai pengat lingba ka rhododendron riot track kabadon ha apa Shillong. Hakini ka jinglet umentri rang ba ulai thuru biki saudong saukun jong kani ka jaka kalong ka ba itanat ba da ka jingdon ki jat ding bat ki jat sentiu baharukom na lor ki sim ki do palai phaujat. Umentri ulai thuru bakani kalenti ka deiru ka ba pendon kam de ki phareng minchwa bat pendon kam ru ya kani ka than kum ka ktem ri tingen ha ka thama ba. Kum tau kentu bat weri ki pat ba ban one pet bat sakhi hi ya ka jing itanat kani ka jaka.
So we are here today in the rhododendron track, and we are here with a full team just going through this entire historic trek. As you know that this has been a route which has been used even by the British in the earlier times, and it's in a way a very not only just a beautiful trek, but it's a very historic trek. On the way you would actually see bunkers that were used during the World War, which are still visible and can be seen very clearly. We also have seen walls that have been created during the British time. These are retaining walls, very, very systematically done. And again, another historic location. And more importantly, if you see the entire flora and fauna out here and overall the kind of greenery that's there, it's really a beautiful area to trek, especially right in the, you can say, heart of the city. And it's a very important source, of course, of the water also, and the quality of air in Shillong. So therefore, it's a very important location, beautiful trek, and I must encourage all of you, the citizens of the state as well as the tourists, to please come and experience this particular trek. You will really, really enjoy it. It's very beautiful and a great experience. So now you just show the clips of the